I'm back. I'm back in Maasin, Mama Mary. Gidadyo kong Cornelia.
Yes.
Ay, mana kami sa how many steps? Shrine in Maasin, Southern Leyte.
Okay, one of these steps.
How many steps? Di apa may gipaningot na may wa pa may kasaka. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, our video is about visiting Our Lady of Assumption statue here in Maasin City, Southern Leyte. The steps, there are 300 steps pala. And the statue is a towering 10.9728 meters tall statue located in Barangay Mantahan, Maasin City, Southern Leyte, believed to be miraculous Mama Mary, as it is popularly called, is said to be the protector of the city of Maasin. Visitors, especially those coming from abroad, liken it to the Christ Redeemer statue of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. May pagkapareha daw talaga ito sa Brazil, as it stands tall atop a hill. The Mama Mary Shrine is placed 94,488 meters above sea level. Devotees trek the 300 steps in going to the shrine to pray for the Blessed Mother's blessing and intercession. As such, a clear view of the city center of Canigao Channel. So ayan po ang history, and we are getting closer na sa taas. And it's very nice to be up here. You get sweaty gyud kay 300 steps, but we did a lot of stopping. Kay dili kaya sa power, guys. Before, when we were younger, we always come here and visit the shrine to pray, and it gives good exercise too. So I'm happy to be back, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. It's a beautiful place to visit if you are here in visiting Maasin City, Southern Leyte.
I'm almost there.
We're almost there. Look at that.
Look at that. This
Ocean jet from Surigao, then Maasin to Cebu. Anami, yung abot na jud mi. Abot na mi sa Maasin, balik. Abot na ang super ocean jet sa Maasin Pier. Salamat ti Cornelia kay giingganyo ko ni og pasaka diri. Mudagkot ko before I go back to America. Thank you, Lord, for all the good blessings. This is my hometown. Very beautiful. Here we are. That's where you put the candle and pray and offer your prayers above. And there's a little store there. They are selling little stuff like candles and snacks. Dito ta sa gilid banda. Ano rin babaw ha? Wow. Beautiful. Ayan, may bagong additional talaga sila. This side of the stairs is a new one. And you know the history of these guys, we always come here. I think when I was on my college years. And part of our mag-exercise talaga kami sa steps. It helps us lose weight. Ang dami talaga umaakyat dito, tapos mag-pray lang din dito at aakyat. The steps going up here is very helpful. Talagang panington gyud ka. So it's a good way to visit also Mama Mary up here. She is protecting us. We believe it. She lay her hands to the sky and protect us from calamities. There might be here and there, but it's not really that bad, because we believe and have faith that she is here helping us to be protected from bad calamities. So we are blessed. Ayan, maginay-hinay na po Miss Cornelia.
Bisita mi kay how many
Kaming
years?
duha maday po duwa nagabisita dire.
How many years now? Wala kita kay bawla na din improve dito sa likod. Hi, thank you so much. Thank you, John.
Ko diha. Kuai ko be. Kuai ko. Be.
Hi, Jenelyn. Hi, may bisita na nay. Ay, sa magkari po wala?
Kana puti.
Oh. Wow.
Ang background.
Yes, so very nice. You want to really go? Isa. Usa may mahibaw na nig na man wa man ning.
Pinita tus jangan to.
Oh, pinita.
The light.
Hindi makita sa Mama Mary Jean. Na. Nag-walking na si Miss Ohio.
Miss Ohio.
Oh, very nice view.
Dayton be.
Picture be. Nandiyo na ko. Nauna. O, dali na ka makuha ang picture, ha?
Ay, sabi.
Ikuan sa view.
Wala
May
music.
kung nagbarog ko. Kuro-kuro, kay video na.
Ang lagi ito sa video din eh.
Ano di ay yung jinggol. Di na ko. Pinoon. Kuhay ko na rebe.
Same as yours, ragyapon, day.
Ha? Kuang mama meron ka?
Ay, sabi.
Video camera ka tarong ha?
No, boy.
Ay, takilay. Din balitok na na.
Mga makita sa Mama Mary, day, over there. Nawa, dyan nakita. Sinaw mo lechon.
Sinaw.
Sumama pa.
Ana. Yes. We are going down na.
Sabi nga nakakajam ligin.
Ang hina. Yes, ano dong.
Slowly lang tayo kay mga magburak.
Ang mga tuhod.
Tuhod.
Feeling na dyan tiguwang.
Dito sakay nga to sa jeep. Pinaspasay na pa siya.
Ayan, naog na mi. So, I'm glad we visited here and now we are meeting my nanay and my pamangkin for a little dinner here at the Macdo. We call it Macdo because it's a lot of barbecuehan. Mga barbecuehan dito, guys. And ito banda is a new thing. There's a lot of jackstones. It's protecting the waves from the ocean so it won't be really bad. So that's the new BIR. And there's a high school there. So ayan. Pusing-pusing muna kami dito ako. First time ko dito. Marami talagang pinagbago din. And it looks beautiful. So, ayan po. Kami ay magpusing na lang din muna bago kami magpupunta sa kakainan namin. Muna ay Jackstone.
Magkumato ko sila ka. Nanay floor. Oo, okay. Ngit man dyan. Oo, ingo lang dyan. Ngit man dyan. Mato ko sa
Muna ay ahong cover photo.
Oo, nara. Ikaw sabi, 1, 2, ready, go. Ladyo mo, Jane. See, 1, 2, ready, go. Ang OV, may makita, waman ng LA. Nga Rico, ladyo ko makita.
5.5.
Ay, manane. Hamay, asa pa hindi ka mag-inana? How da? To sa ila. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, kanina na po dyan. Bukan po kaya. Si Jan Celes, to apas amo.
Ang aripis lita na oh. Adi paligis ha. Anak ka na anak ka barog. Talaga. Lagi.
Lalaki.
Ay, kung sa mo to? Ano, sin mo tutuna, idang ba na Pelnar. Ang atas gamay na. Dito na. Lab. Ang sama na makita ng lab. Lab, anak. Ang si Kwais pa ha. Uy! Ako anong din ha? Makita duha.
Hari ka pislit sa puti na eh. Sige, ngari ko.
Ako, Angel?
Oh. So, ayan, dito na kami sa McDo. Means, magdoko-doko ka, magpili ka ng barbecue, tapos ipaluto mo, tapos, ayan, may puso-puso. Na-meet namin ang kaibigan din namin, kaya nakipusing na din kami. Ay, classmate ko yun. Batchmate ko sa high school. At itong si Lian at si Ashley, pamangkin ko. Anak ni Cornelia, si Ashley, tapos anak ng kapatid kong lalaki, si Lian. So, ayan. So, ayan, nakipagchika-chika lang kami dito. Nag-relaxing lang, waiting for our barbecue to be done, cooking. May puso-puso na kami. So, dami talagang nagpipiknik. I'm sure a lot of places in the Philippines, they are famous of having a barbecue getaway by the seaside. So, dito din kami. Maganda kasi it's refreshing. And then after we had dinner there, we visited my aunt's house. And dito kami pusing din ang isa kong pamangkin, anak ng pinsan ko, si Darrell. Tsaka nandyan ang pamangkin nga usa si Lloyd. Kaya pusing talaga ako at sabi na din sa tiyahin ko na I'm going back na sa Jumerica. Kaya kailangan may remembrance talaga na halubilo din ako. Yan si Darrell John, yung pinsan ko. At yan, ang tiyahin ko, kapatid ng nanay ko, si Chaline, at saka yung asawa ng Tio Dan. So, nag-bye-bye. And nothing else, more than anything, of course po ako sa pinakamaganda kong pamangkin na si Lian at si Laika. So, ayan. It makes the difference and I really had a good time. So, I hope you enjoyed my video for today and thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.